Getting started with ARPCLEAN is completely self-serve. No implementation, no sales call, no card. In this video, we'll create your company, add your first hotel, and get it live in less than 5 minutes. A quick note before we start. You set everything up on the web. The mobile apps are for your daily operations. It all starts at arpclean.com. Click Get Started at the top right. Sign in with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, or use a magic link. No password to create, nothing to remember. If your manager already added you or gave you an invite code, choose Join Your Team, enter the code, and you're in. To set up your own business, choose Create Your Company. That's what we'll do now. First, your company's name. If you're a cleaning company, that's simply your company name. And if you're a hotel that runs housekeeping in-house, just use your hotel's name. The setup is exactly the same. There's also room for a partner code if you have one. It extends your free trial. Then continue. Next, how many hotels you work with. This is not binding, it just helps us point you to the right plan. Then, your first hotel. Just the name, the address is optional. You can add more hotels later whenever you like. And finally, which PMS does your hotel use? Today, Opera activates instantly, setup completes right away. Protel, Clock, and others are coming very soon. If you use one of them, pick it and we'll reach out within 24 hours, and we'll do the implementation for you. Free, within a week. And your trial does not start until your first task sheet arrives, so you lose none of it while we set things up. And that's it, your hotel is live with its own unique mailbox. This address is how your PMS talks to ARPCLEAN. Send your Opera reports here, and they're processed the moment they arrive. 3 quick reports: room types, rooms, and the task sheet. The first 2 are one-time. They build your hotel's structure, and you only resend them if the hotel changes. The task sheet is the daily one. It carries each day's tasks, so it arrives every day. This page tracks each report as it lands. All of it takes less than 5 minutes. Not sure how to send a report from Opera? Every step has a short how-to built right in. And if someone else handles Opera at your hotel, you do not have to do this yourself. Delegate it. Enter their email, and they'll get the instructions and your hotel's address. No login needed on their side. You can also invite your team right away. Your housekeeping manager, your team leader, each with the right role. They'll get an email with everything they need, and they'll run their day-to-day work from the mobile app. No rush, though. You can always invite more people later from your admin panels. Time to send the 3 reports from Opera. Watch the page. Each one is checked off the moment it arrives. Room types, rooms, and the task sheet. 3 out of 3, and your hotel comes to life. And that's it. The whole setup, completely self-serve, in just a few minutes. In the coming videos, we'll also tour the web panels and the mobile apps your team works with. See you there!